it's time to show you the tools I use for my natural hair. I use a whole lot of things for my natural hair. A whole lot of tools: my comb, my brush, my flex rod, white tooth comb, bobby pins. Yeah. Yeah. The tools for my natural hair I have with me: tail comb. I use this tail comb to part my hair, so every naturalista needs a tail comb. Then a white tooth comb is just the best for natural hair. You don't need the other smaller comb to comb your hair. Just have a white tooth comb, then your hair, it's back to life. Use it, comb your hair. Ooh. But normally I use a spray bottle. I put water in here, spray on my hair, then use it to detangle my hair before combing it. So I can't just stay and use comb on my hair. It's going to break. So be careful of the tools you use on your hair. Use the spray bottle to spray your hair before combing it. It's very important. So you leave your hair moisturized, very wet before combing it. Someone like me, I don't even comb the hair. What I do is I use my finger to detangle the hair, and then I'm done. What else? Another tool is a shower cap. You need a shower cap as a naturalista to cover your hair. So I use this mostly when I deep condition my hair. I use this to cover my hair. So you are, as a naturalista, you also need bobby pin. Bobby pin. I don't know if you can see this. This is a bobby pin. I use my bobby pins to wrap my hair and tuck it, especially when I want to do a wrap and tuck style. So I use this to wrap my hair and tuck it in, and I'm good to go. Also, do you have a leave-in conditioner? I use Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner repair cream. Interesting. So do you have a leave-in conditioner? Do you have a brush? It's important you have a brush. So apart from the fact that I have this white tooth comb, I have a tail comb too I use in parting my hair. So you need a brush too. So my tools, I have that. I told you about bobby pins. I use bobby pins to wrap my hair, yeah. Especially when I want to achieve a wrap and tuck style. So I use it to wrap my hair. A naturalista needs a styling gel. Styling gel is important. So I use Eco Styling Gel. This one. Eco Styling Gel. Especially when I want to have a little kind of curls, you know. So I use it to style my hair. I'm going to do a video. Yes, so expect a video of my styling with Eco Styler. I use it to achieve a very nice hair style. So I spoke about this too. You need a conditioner. So I use JayBush Naturals conditioner. It's 100% natural. See it here. I also need a shampoo, still from JayBush. So this is it. You also need an essential oil. In every ingredient I do, I use essential oil. So this particularly also. So I also use this, also from JayBush Naturals. So this is it, from JayBush Naturals, yeah. An essential oil, very important. It's a rapid growth oil from JayBush Naturals. Combination of 10 organic oils. Wow, 10 organic oils. You need this. Coconut oil, lavender oil, almond oil, lemongrass oil, avocado oil, carrot oil, olive oil, rosemary oil. Oh, tea tree oil, peppermint oil, vitamin E, castor oil. 10. All in one oil. So you need to get this also for your hair. So I use this for my hair as well. Which other tool? You also need a flexi rod for your hair. Most times I feel like having a little coil kind of, but I just have to use this, wrap the hair, then leave it overnight, cover it. Okay, one other one. This is it. I use this for my hair. It's an apron. So I use this. JayBush, yeah. JayBush, yeah. So I use this to put my combs and my other tools while styling my hair. So you just need something like this so you don't get to scatter your tools while making your hair. So you put this here, and do your thing and style your hair. Please get yourself the right tools for your natural hair. I still have more tools and I'm going to bring that up in my next video. I'm going to show you one particular tool, the top-notch tool for my natural hair. And I think most people don't know about it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment, share. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.